Hi, I'm HD. I have another tip for you. Did you hear that snap? Anytime you hear a snap, it's an indication that something is not so right. Many times my patients ask me, Doc, I hear these pops and clicks in my joint. Is that normal? Well, it's a pop and a click. Your body wasn't designed to pop and click. Your joint has an upper member and a lower member, and there's a little disc that sits in between. And usually when you hear a pop or a click, that disc is not in the right place. So, is a pop or a click normal? Absolutely not. And if you are clicking or popping, it's time to visit your dentist. See you next time.